Here's the app called Corley Picker Relax. A really cool color picker app where you can just use it and have it as your color picker. And yeah, your ultimate coloring experience for relaxation. Color Picker Relax. Easily color by tapping and zooming into vibrant areas where calming ASMR sounds enhance your relaxation and spark creativity. Whether you're seeking stress relief after a long day or just want to enjoy a soothing, happy color session, Corley is the perfect companion along coloring apps. Discover the art of relaxation, intuitive color picking, features designed for your well being, relaxing color palettes, diverse designs, mindful coloring, custom creations, relaxing sounds, color picker challenge. Perfect for everyone, whether you're an experienced artist or just exploring drawing apps. Corley is for everyone. The app is user friendly. So, just easy app to use when you like this color picker apps. Try to use this app often. Fortunately, I'm just showing as it is. And then select your language. And then here you just have it like that. And then, yeah, here, for example, what you like. There's weekly $5 per week, yearly $26, monthly $10. So, for example, I want to start with something easy. And then this is. So, for example, you can just do like that. Here, or you can select your own colors. You can select all these advanced colors. You can select different palette and then just color it like that. For example, pretty cool. Then you have different brushes. Then you can zoom in, zoom out if you wanna. Then you can just do that. Then you can just delete it. So that's the idea. Pretty cool. That yeah. So that's how you do it.